Good day, my name is Edwin Eduardo Sanchez Perez. My ID number is 2010-2025-8 and I'm studying Science and Systems Engineering, and this is my project for the Technical Language Board Proficiency exam. My project is to set up a wireless network between two computers with operating system Microsoft Windows to use at home. Well, before I start with the project, let me tell you that the network is a series of points interconnected by communication paths. Well, and something else is that inside the network there are some properties, some rules that controls the connection. Those rules are the protocols. As you know, the greatest network available is the internet, which connects billions of computers around the whole world. And the most important protocol in the internet is the TCP/IP. Well, but to connect a computer to a network, we need to have a specific device on the computer. This device is the network card. The network card allows the computer to identify and then allows the computer to connect to any network available. So once the computer is connected to a network, it receives an identification number from the network. This number is unique and is named as IP address. Well, for this project we are going to use two computers, one with operating system Windows 7 and the other one with operating system Windows XP. And this project we are going to create a wireless network in the Windows 7 computer. However, you can create this wireless network in the Windows XP computer. Well, so at this moment, let me tell you the simple steps you need to follow to create the wireless network. Well, these are the computers we are going to use to make this project. Well, like I told you, we are going to work in Windows 7. So we go to the Start button, then we select the option Control Panel, we select the option Network and Internet, then we go to Network and Sharing Center, and here we select this option, Set up a wireless connection or network. We find the option that says set up a wireless ADHOC computer-to-computer network. We select this option and press next. Now we have this window that shows us general information about wireless connections and wireless network. We press next. Now we have to type a name to our new network. The name for our new network will be TL4. We are going to use the first option for password because it's the easier. We just need 5 parameters to set the password. We are going to use as password 12345. We are going to save this new network so it's going to be available in the future. So we press next. Now the computer is creating the network, and finally we receive this screen that shows us general information about the new network. We press close, and now we go to the option to identify new networks. So here we have our new network TL4 and it's waiting for users. Well, so at this moment we move to our XP Windows computer and we are going to connect this computer to our new network. Well, now at this moment we don't have our new network available, so we refresh the list and now here we have our new network. We select the network and press connect. Our computer is asking now for the password for our network. Remember, our password is 12345. We need to confirm the password 12345. 5 and press OK. Now we need to wait while our computer gets acquired connection. Well, while it is happening, let me tell you that this kind of network is very useful to share information between those two computers, knowing that those computers are not connected. So once this second computer is connected to the network, we are going to get access to share folders from this computer on this computer in Windows 7. So at this moment we are waiting for this computer to get connection to the network TL4. And well, we can see now the computer says is connected. Okay, perfect. Well, now we are going to create a new folder and this will be, and we are going to name this new folder TL4. Well, now as an example we are going to create a new document, a Microsoft Word document, and we are going to name this document TL4 too. Okay, now in the blank we are going to click the right button, we go to properties and we select the option sharing, and we go to the second option network sharing and security, and we select this option share this folder on the network, and we can select this option that says allow network user to change my file, so we are allowing to the other computers to change our new folder. We select the option we want and press OK. Perfect. Now you can see a hand on the folder, and that means that the folder is shared. Okay, so to comprove this, we move to this computer, the Windows 7, and we go to Start, Computer, and select the option Network. And here, this is our Windows 7 computer, PC, and this is our other computer, the Windows XP, Toshiba user. We select this computer. As you can see, here we have our new folder, TL4, and this says share. We select this folder, and here we can see our new document, TL4. Well, perfect. That means that our network is working properly. Well, the other simple way we can check we have connection between these computers is making ping with this computer. Well, let me explain you. To make ping, we need to get first the IP number, the IP address of each computer. So to get this number, we type the command ipconfig on the command prompt of Windows. ipconfig and press enter. And here we have our IP address. Remember? We are working with a wireless network. So here we have our new IP address. As we can see, our IP address is 169.254.99.141. Perfect. Now we move to the XP computer. Like I told you, we go to the command prompt and enter the command ipconfig, CONFIG, and press enter. And here we have our IP address of this computer. And the IP is 169.254.185.97. Perfect. Well, like I told you, we are going to check that we have connection between those computers. So we are going to make ping, like I told you. To make ping, we need to type the command ping, PING, and enter the IP address of the other computer. So we are working now in the Windows 7 computer, so we are going to need the IP address of the XP computer. The IP address is 169.254.185.97 and press enter. Now we can see this screen. If you get this screen, perfect. You have connection between your computers. So now to comprove this, we are going to move to this computer, the XP. Like I told you, we need to type the command ping, PING, space, and we are going to type the IP address of the Windows 7 computer, that is 169.254.99.141 and press enter. So well, like I told you, now we can check that the network is working properly by typing the command ping in both computers. So well, this is the way we can check our network is working properly. Well, as you can see in those computers, we can share information between them. So we have our new simple wireless network connection between them, and it's working properly. Okay.